Power generation, if the shit happens and world goes tits up, zombie apocalypse, whatever, I see power generators like your hand cranks, your solar, wind turbines, that kind of stuff. I just see that as a transitional thing psychologically. So you can actually get used to not having electric. So you can go from having things made in China, to having, not having it. So that way you've got 20 years to get used to having less and less dependency on electric. It's a psychological thing. So yes, you've still got your tech to start with, but gradually you wean yourself off it and you get a couple of decades until it wears out. So you still have some of it, but you get less and less dependent. Electricity. It's an addiction.